Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize bounce keys function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to change it. So we need to go to settings, then we need to go to our accessibility options, next interaction and dexterity, and at the bottom we have our bounce keys. So what does it do exactly? Prevent an accidental key press by setting a delay before a second tap on the second key is accepted. So when we open this option right here, we have our delay timer. So we can set up any time from 0.1 to 4 seconds, and don't forget to turn it on. Of course, we have our test window here, and no need to save. As you can see, we have our setting changed. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.